New day, new task. I'll give you a quick rundown of what happened and what's gonna happen. So yesterday, I went ahead and I cleaned and sealed that midsection, get it ready for painting. I've decided that I'm gonna go over the seal with another layer of paint, spray paint out of a can, to be exact, because it's cheap. And it will also add another layer of moisture protection. I also went ahead and sealed this questionable piece. This thing might still go away because it's not very solid, but I was on a seal kick, so I thought, why not just do it? Because if it stays, then it'll be sealed. And if it goes, then I didn't waste all that much time. Then, last but not least, I went ahead and masked my pretty horse windows so that I could spray right over them and not have to worry. So the task at hand for the day is going to be to rattle can the inside of the sauna trailer, and I'm going to do that now. There are 1.5 million different types of spray paint out there, especially at Home Depot. I just picked one. Hopefully this will work. The world's still out of PPE because of the pandemic. So I had to make my own. There's no paint suits, no masks, and nothing. Luckily, I already owned one of these. I'm gonna be sacrificing this old hoodie so I don't get spray paint all over myself. This part's gonna be gray. I think I'm gonna transition to black, simply due to the fact that the store's out of gray after I went shopping. I don't know if I've gotten better at spray painting over time, or if it's this gun that's made an effect, or if the black sprays on a lot smoother than the gray. Whatever it is though, it's true. Check it out. Look at this. Oh yeah. Like butter. Well, I thought I was being careful, but apparently I wasn't. I hope spray paint washes off, otherwise I'm in trouble.